Welcome to our video on the present simple tense. The present simple is one of the most fundamental tenses in English, used to describe habits, routines, general truths, and facts. In this video, we'll explore 50 common sentences that use the present simple tense. These examples will help you understand how to use this tense in everyday conversations, whether you're talking about yourself, your family, or the world around you. Let's begin our journey to mastering the present simple tense with clear and practical examples that you can use right away. Start with sentences that describe daily routines and habits. For example, I wake up early, I brush my teeth, I take a bath, I eat breakfast, I drink milk, I go to school, I study English, I read books, I write every day, I play football. These sentences show actions that happen regularly. Notice how the verb stays in its base form for I, you, we, and they. Using these sentences in your daily life will make your English sound natural and fluent. Practicing these simple structures is the key to building confidence in speaking. Now let's look at how we use the present simple to talk about other people. For example, he wakes up early, he drinks tea, he goes to the office, he works hard, he plays cricket, she cooks food, she sings well, she dances beautifully, she reads books, she teaches students. Notice that when we talk about he, she, or it, we usually add ins to the verb. This is a simple rule, but it's very important for correct grammar. These sentences help you describe the actions of friends, family, or anyone else in your life. Present simple tense is also used to state general truths and facts. For example, the sun rises in the east. The moon shines at night, birds fly in the sky, fish live in water, dogs bark loudly, cats like milk. Flowers bloom in spring, water boils at 100 degrees C. The train arrives on time. These sentences talk about things that are always true or happen regularly. Using the present simple in this way helps you express facts clearly and confidently in English. Remember, mastering these patterns will make your communication more effective. Finally, let's see how the present simple is used to talk about family and relationships. For example, my father works in a bank, my mother takes care of us, I love my family, we live together, we enjoy our work, they go to the market, they play games, they watch movies, they eat lunch together. These sentences are useful for describing your family members and their daily activities. Using the present simple tense in these contexts helps you share information about your loved ones and your daily life with others.